Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks for joining me here today. I'm going to share with you a few natural products that you probably already have in your house, and I'm going to share with you the ones that are not great to put on your face because they can actually be quite damaging. So let's get right into the video. The skin on our face actually has a pH of about 4.5 to 6.5. Now, this is on the pH scale, 0 being extremely acidic and about 13, 14 being very alkaline. So 7 is about neutral, so our face on our skin is just a little bit below neutral. And what happens with a lot of products is we kind of make our skin go a little bit crazy, making it out of balance on either way, and it can cause damage. So I'm going to share with you the things that will actually cause it damage and why, and what you can use as an alternative. Let's start with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be seen online as used as a toner for your face, but apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, so it is going to dry out the skin. It is very harsh for the skin. Instead, use some rose water, which is easy to make, or you can find easily in glass bottles. It is very gentle on the skin and is perfectly effective as a toner. Dab onto a little cotton pad and then pop on your face, or put it in a spray bottle and then spray it for a refreshing toner. Next is baking soda. Now this can be seen online as a face wash, but actually baking soda is highly alkaline, and what it does is it removes the protective layer of your skin, and this can lead to increased bacteria and infection. So leave it off your skin and instead use it for cleaning. Next are essential oils. Now you'll see these used undiluted on your face, but this is highly damaging for your skin long term. So instead you can use aloe vera, which is gentle on your skin. And I just like to dab a little bit on a spot if I have one and leave it overnight to heal. Next is sugar. Now, although sugar is great as an exfoliant on your body, the skin on your face is way too delicate for sugar. It's too corrosive and it can make little tiny abrasions in your skin, which you can barely notice, but then over time it is going to damage the skin. If you want to gently exfoliate your skin, then use some oats. Blend them up in a blender and use that as a face wash, and it will gently exfoliate your face without causing any damage to the top skin layer. Next is lemon juice. Now lemons are highly acidic, and if you put it on your skin, it can lighten your skin but also make you more sensitive to light. So if you go out in the sun, you can burn more easily. Instead, use lemons as a cleaner, and they're great at getting rid of stubborn stains and also make stainless steel shine up beautifully. So there you have it. They're the 5 things that I would suggest that you do not put directly onto your face if you want to keep your face and your skin on your face in the best condition possible. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, thumbs up and share it with anyone you like. Head over, say hi on Instagram as always, and subscribe if you haven't and you'd like to join me next week. Until then, have a wonderful week and I'll see you then. Bye.